Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kanchan from BIBO. I have completed my doctorate of pharmacy. So today we will be talking about essential oils for respiratory health. We all have used balms and capsules for our respiratory health. Even the balms and capsules for blocked nose contain some essential oils. So today we will be talking about Breathe Blend essential oils. BIBO Breathe Blend is a blend of 5 premium essential oils like eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, thymol, camphor and pine oil. Eucalyptus oil is known for its antiseptic, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is helpful in relieving the symptoms of common cold, cough, sore throat, asthma, sinus congestion, bronchitis and other respiratory problems. Peppermint oil. It shows antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It kills bacteria and eases irritation and pain in the respiratory tract. It relieves symptoms of common cold, sinusitis, cough, sore throat, asthma and bronchitis. It is clinically proven to reduce the feeling of dyspnea, that is shortness of breath. Camphor. It is known for its nasal decongestant and expectorant properties. It helps to reduce pain, swelling, irritation, itching and infection in the respiratory tract. It is helpful in reducing the symptoms of common cold, sinusitis, asthma, bronchitis, fever and cough. Thymol. Thymol shows action against various bacterial, viral and fungal infections. It helps to relieve the symptoms associated with both upper and lower respiratory tract conditions like common cold, whooping cough, hiccups, sore throat, cough, sinusitis, asthma and bronchitis. Pine oil. It is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is commonly used as an air freshener to keep the air clean from the dust and microbes. So let's see how to use Breathe Blend. You can use Breathe Blend by adding a few drops of it to a steam inhaler or a diffuser. You can also directly inhale this essential oil by pouring a few drops on a handkerchief or a clean cloth. Breathe Blend can also boost your vapor patch. Just add a few drops of it and inhale them. You can use Breathe Blend if you have common cold, blocked nose, sneezing, nasal or sinus congestion, allergies, sinusitis, nasal polyps, asthma, bronchitis or any upper or lower respiratory tract infections. If you wish to apply these oils on your skin, make sure you dilute them with carrier oils like coconut oil, olive oil or almond oil before application. So how is Breathe Blend different from the balms and capsules you use for blocked nose? The capsules that you use for blocked nose contains concentrated essential oils. While pouring the content of these essential oils, your skin may come in direct contact with these oils and it may cause itching and irritation. While most of the balms contain petroleum jelly in them. Petroleum jelly can be harmful when inhaled directly. This petroleum jelly, when inhaled or when applied directly on the nose, can accumulate in the lungs and cause lipoid pneumonia. Breathe Blend contains premium essential oils which are natural, free from harmful chemicals like petroleum jelly and is mess-free. So next time you have a blocked nose, nasal or sinus congestion or any respiratory problem, you can use Breathe Blend. Thank you. For watching more such interesting videos, stay tuned and click here.